Hi, my name is Jack.
My name is Sam.
And I'm the other Jack.
And we're going to be showing you how to use Google Sites. So on my screen I have 3 tabs open. One is where we can edit our site. One is our published site. And the last one is where I'll be giving you an example site. So this is our site where we can edit it. So here we can insert text boxes. I'm just going to open a new site. It's loading.
And now it's open.
Okay, so here's the unedited site. So say we were doing this about, say, birds. I would name it in that text box, and then I can change what type it is, like normal text. But I'm gonna keep this at title, because that's the big title. And then this image background, you can change it by hitting this. And you can either upload an image from your images, or you can select an image that they give you. So here's the gallery. Let's just do this one. And it's loading. And that's our background. And enter site name, about birds. And then we're also going to want to do it there, which is already there. I'm just going to capitalize this. And then, so the text box, you can put that in and click that. And about birds. Oops. And then you might want to center it. You can change it to bold or italic.
Jack, you have to highlight it.
Yeah, you forgot to highlight it.
Whatever. You can make it bold.
Pretty serious stuff.
Bold
See?
and italic. But you don't have to do that. And
you can also underline it by going into themes, clicking onto the text box.
But it would underline the birds and the, say vision.
Right. And then boom, it's a vision.
Wait.
Style.
Oh, we should not be doing that.
Yeah,
so to underline,
not working out how we did it last time.
If you want to put 2 text boxes in, you might want to separate them, like types of birds. Center it, and then you might want to put in a divider and move it right between them. And look like that. And then say I wanted to make a page for the about the birds thing. I would go to pages, and then I would add a page right here, and then I would name it about birds.
Before we move on, if you want to save everything you've done, click publish.
Yeah, but it'll save by itself. Then go here.
Not really.
I will. Then you'd want to highlight it, then hit this button for the link, and then hit about birds, then hit apply, and that will make it underlined. And then view. Let's just publish it quickly. Yeah, publish. Okay, then let's view the published site. It's loading. And if you clicked this, it would bring you to the About the Birds page. Then you can go back home by clicking that. And then you can change like settings and side navigation.
And if you wanted, you could also
And
add a logo.
this wouldn't be how it is in the website. It would be like this. Hang on. View the site. And would be on this side and About Birds. And then, so you can also insert YouTube videos. So you can do this. Birds. And there are a bunch you can insert, like funny bird videos. Let's insert that. Be right here. Could watch it. Could go to the link. Show
Yeah,
you.
you should probably speak up a little bit.
I'll show you guys. Okay. Let's just view this. And then the video is right here. You could click it. It would start playing it. And you can also add stuff, like stuff from your drive. You can add in images, you can upload images. You can add in lots of that stuff. And yeah, so I'll show you our site. And you can get to our site by going to https://sites.google.com/how-to-use-site-17620LK6282HFY.
Just try and remember that.
Yeah.
And he memorized it, so it's
Yeah.
kind of sad.
So I'll show you our finished and published site. So these are all of our pages. And then so our home page is how to use Google Sites. How to use Google Sites. And then we talk about it, and then all the stuff you can do, which is pretty much in this video. To go back home, we have a footer. On that, our video tutorial, which is the video we're going to put in right here. Home. And we have an About the Creators, which is all about us. My channel, this is Sam Ringett, and that's Jack Barnett. I'm Jack Barnett.
No.
I'm Jack Mallett, not Barnett.
Ah.
Okay, so we in our computers class also created other
sites.
So mine was organizing your Google Drive. So you can click that link right there, and it'll bring you to my website.
It'll take a little while, but
And it's
You'll get
also
there.
going to Barracuda, so.
it's not actually going
You
to
might
be
have.
good.
Oh, never mind.
So here is my site, and there's a bunch of stuff about how organizing your Google Drive. Let's go back home, and then Sam create a website on a game called Warhammer 40K. It's pretty cool. I haven't played it, but it sounds really cool.
Because we are cool.
And so is it.
See,
And they have a bunch of the
different
people,
races.
like Space Marines.
Which are these, like,
Home.
yeah, no, this isn't important.
So that's our website. We have a little description about all of us. And then he's talking about Warhammer 40K. And then, yeah, that's pretty much how to use your Google Sites. So this is a really cool product by Google. You should go try it out. Thanks for watching. Bye.
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 We're just going to let the thing count down.
Yeah, so